Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you how you can make natural ginger ale that is rich in enzymes and probiotics. Before refrigeration, ginger was commonly added to beer to counteract off flavors that could develop when the fermentation process went awry. This practice has stopped, but the appreciation for ginger-flavored beverages has not. Ginger is a unique aromatic ingredient, one of the few that burns and cools simultaneously. Today, ginger can be found in foods, soft drinks such as natural ginger ale, and medicines, owing to its ability to treat chronic ailments such as arthritis. It also gives foods and beverages distinct taste and aroma. Natural ginger ale contains medicinal properties that can reduce inflammation caused by bone diseases, such as osteoarthritis. It makes your body supple and improves your mood. The amount of time natural ginger ale takes to achieve these effects varies depending on the level of severity. Regular intake of natural ginger ale can be helpful in the prevention and treatment of ovarian cancer, since ginger is comprised of gingerols, which may eliminate ovarian cancer cells through apoptosis. Natural ginger ale has a thermal effect that warms the body and protects it against cold. The heat-generating properties of natural ginger are confirmed by its ability to make blood vessels dilate, which stimulates your blood flow to support biological function. Natural ginger ale has antioxidant properties that help eliminate free radicals that may be brought about by metabolic reactions within your body. This orange honey ginger ale recipe uses the flavors of orange and honey to complement the aromatic ginger. To make this ginger ale, simply make the syrup first, which can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. Then, whenever you would like a glass of ginger ale, you would need to fill a glass with 1/3 cup of the syrup, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and the rest of the glass with seltzer water. Sip and enjoy. Try this refreshing ginger mint soda. It is not only invigorating, but can also be just what you need to settle your stomach after a large meal. This recipe is a little similar to the other one, since you first make a concentrate from the ingredients. When you wish to serve this flavorful drink, you can combine half a cup of concentrate and 1 cup of club soda in a large glass. Once again, sip and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Good day and good health.